One, does my buddy have hot feet? Budgies have naturally hot feet. Their internal temperature averages 106 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's actually a good sign if your buddy's feet are warm. This means it's dispelling extra heat from its legs and keeping up with its fast metabolism. However, that's not always the case. If the body has hot feet far more than normal, it can indicate a fever. If your body's feet are generally hot, not just warm, that can mean it's sick. Bodies will automatically raise their internal temperature when their immune system detects viruses, bacteria, or parasites invading the body. Budgies may also do this when they're stressed, as their heart rate will increase and their blood will pump faster, generating more heat. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching.